Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. And I'm so happy to introduce one of my participants of our academy, Dhruti Raja. She's also a chartered accountant like me, and she has achieved her success story in just 11 days of joining our academy. And I would like to, first of all, congratulate Dhruti for her achievement and also want to introduce your Dhruti. So please, Dhruti, why don't you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. Thank you, Siddharth. Thanks a lot. Guys, as Think and Grow Rich policy says, I am so happy and grateful now that I am getting interviewed and entered the Carnegie Club of Success. This is everyone's story. This is Dhruti Raja, a chartered accountant by profession, a very happily married since 16 years and a mother of a 14-year-old son. Siddharth, thank you very much for enrolling me on time and helping me to achieve this success.
Most welcome. Thank you for trusting us, Dhruti. You deserve the entire the success story. We are just a catalyst. So tell me, Dhruti, I think one of your relatives gave you the reference to join this program and you trusted him and you enrolled. Can you just mention, because he also deserves the credit.
Yes, absolutely. Mr. Jimit Chotai introduced me to this TAGR Academy. He is my brother-in-law by relationship, and he helped me for this, just going through this webinar. He insisted only for attending the webinar, and he sent me a link thrice. I mean, I could not attend once, I could not attend twice, and he still kept on going. And today I am even sharing a success story about my life.
Amazing. So thanks to Jimit, thanks to you to trust us. So tell us something about your success story. Just directly, just tell us what happened actually. And in just 11 days, we are surprised. I mean, such a fast and furious success story you've got. So please, why don't we celebrate that? Please tell us for our viewers what exactly happened.
Yes, I already have a success story of my personal goal as well as my economic goal, one of the economic goal I would say. And I had a affirmation about my personal goal of achieving a rental income from my husband's business, because that doesn't turn to be my economic goal. So I gave an affirmation as a personal goal that my husband's prosperity will come through rental income of 1 lakh per month. And yes, we did achieve by following the instructions what was supposed to be followed. And it was my belief that yes, whatever you said are actually a realistic concepts which everyone should follow in life for their success. So I achieved, that was my personal goal of achieve. That deadline was 1st March 2021. I set a deadline for that personal goal on 1st March 2021, and I could achieve in within 11 days. That is 9th of September I enrolled, and 20th of September I achieved my goal. I mean,
amazing. This is really giving me goosebumps. And yes, this is the power of your belief which you have got. You already had the power, but something was there which we just pushed you to ignite that power, and you got that thing. And it's a very super success story, because you had an aim of 1st of March and you got it in, say, in the month of September. In this lockdown, you got this success story.
Yes. So everything is possible. My economic goal I would share here immediately is I was undertaking a loan proposal for one of my client of 50 lakh rupees loan proposal. That file got rejected twice. I mean, it was before lockdown. February से मैंने वो file enroll किया हुआ था, and it got rejected twice. And in spite of that, I just kept working what was required. अच्छा ये चाहिए देती हूँ, ये चाहिए I'll give. Managing the client and the bank, balancing that thing. And today I have a sanction letter of that proposal as well.
Amazing. Twice rejected and then getting the sanction letter. That's really powerful. Credit goes to you, because you followed the principles. You went the extra mile. You took the personal initiative. You were persistent, and you never let the burning desire go. So the entire credit goes to you. Yes. Yeah. So tell us something, what did you do, Dhruti? I mean, it's just 11 days in the academy, but something you must have done in your daily habits, something which you would like to share with our viewers.
Yes, the right from the webinar what I attended of yours, even before enrolling to the academy, what the burning desire concepts and the habits of nine habits of the millennials, what you shared, I strongly believed in that. And when the videos were shared, daily basis videos were shared, I went an extra mile. The what you said, I penned down. ऐसा होता है कई बार कि we in life we have these thought process, अपना belief system रहता है, but as you said, we have to pen down, we have to take actions in those ancillary activities. And yes, so I followed going extra mile. I penned down my goals with the deadline and which can be measured. So
Right.
the basic rules, it is very manageable. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि people cannot follow.
Right.
Just simply follow that and things will definitely come up to us.
Very nice. Thank you so much for sharing. And yes, writing down your goals is a very important thing.
Yes.
And especially we as chartered accountants, we think that we are very smart. So we don't need to write. I mean, we are chartered accountants, so we don't need to write goals. That is only for the graduates. So sometimes we miss out on this important concept. But yes, you believed in it and you were wanting to unlearn and learn these concepts of writing down and, listening to some audios which we give it to you. And so tell me one thing, Dhruti. What is one thing which you like about our program in terms of the community or the weekly mastermind call? What is one thing which you would really say this is something different than any other online program which is there in the industry right now? What is something very different according to you? I know it's too early for you. It's just 11 days.
Yeah, because I am already, I am at a very initial stage.
Yeah.
But yes, this academy handholds you throughout. The community, I belong to the West Zone. There, apart from the instructions what we get on an email, the entire community is so helpful that if you are stuck somewhere or if you want to get clarified with your with any of the concept, they are there throughout to help you and execute the things. So whatever is being taught, the community, it is said like attracts like. So yes, the community is very helpful, and hand holding is not ki 90 days ka paisa diya and just instructions follow kiya. No, it is not like that. I am very grateful ki community is helping me. It outstands the other rest of the I have experienced academies. What I have.
Wonderful. I think that's the best thing which is there. And, this is the power of the community, the power of the mastermind, which we talk of in Think and Grow Rich, that me alone or, my team alone cannot do it. But the actual participants who are there, who are givers, that's what is the power of the mastermind, where there is no competition and we are all moving together individually towards our goals. That's the real power. So great. I think, Dhruti, anything special you want to share with your audience? Something about your life or your future goals, or how are you going with this confidence? Tell me one thing, Dhruti. How is your belief system now for your goals in the future? How do you feel?
If there are many SRK fans, we have often heard this dialogue कि अगर हम किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहे तो पूरी कायनात उसको मिलाने में लग जाती है. And yes, the universe actually, there are and there were many goals which were next to impossible considering my practical situations. As I shared in my success story, I lost 3 family members, including my father. But instead of going negative, what you said, negative to positive, consider this as an opportunity. Only message I would say is believe what is being said, and anything you desire will surely come to you. I mean, there's nothing word like impossible now for me, I think.
Wow, I can see the confidence in you, and going through your personal loss right now because of this situation, but still shifting the mindset, keeping the way it's there. I can really see the confidence in the belief system in you, Dhruti. You are a very strong woman, and I can see that whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve with your belief systems and with your actions.
Yeah, only thing is, I would say is, let us understand the crux. Whosoever enrolls, let us try to understand the crux, follow the video of Siddharth, what he's trying to say, rather than just following the procedural part. कभी ऐसा होता है कि 4 में से 3 चीजें practically नहीं हो पाती है, but the intention what is being conveyed through his videos, let us have that adaptability, and everything will surely come up to us. And before time, yes.
And again, I'm talking about CA because we are left brainers, we are number crunchers, when we are logical people. So we as chartered accountants, being logical people, talking about, no, this is where the belief system is more important. You don't need to know the practical way, you don't need to know the how part, you just focus on what you want and you get it. So that's really powerful. We CAs talking about this.
Only one more thing I would add up is, stop complaining in life. That is what I'll say to all the members. There were 100 problems in my life when I enrolled in your academy, where I am using the past because we have a habit of complaining. Time nahi tha, network nahi tha, paisa nahi tha, office nahi tha. I don't have an office space, I don't have a capital, and still I could achieve the success shayad wo Hindi picture ki tarah, because I believed that the knowledge and the work I am putting in is on the correct path, and things are workable.
Brilliant, Dhruti. I think you are an inspiration for many of our participants of our academy, as well as people who are watching this video, that with no constraints. I mean, the limitations are there within us, time, money, excuses, network, all that. I mean, just excuses are there. But whenever you have a burning desire, just go for it.
Burning desire.
Great, thank you so much, Dhruti. Just final word for any participant who is thinking that should I join the program, should I enter the academy? What would be your final word or advice or suggestion for that particular participant? Final words from you.
Just go ahead.
Just go ahead. Okay, got it. Just do it, like Nike. Like, just do it.
Yeah. I mean, don't hesitate. I mean, when I enrolled with your webinar, I belong to a well-to-do family. Let me share this thing with you. I belong to a very well-to-do family at my maternal end, as well as in my in-laws' place. But still, I didn't hesitate when my bank balance didn't permit. I didn't hesitate to ask you. People hesitate कि मुझे EMI facility मिलेगा क्या? मेरे पास credit card नहीं है. Very silly things. But just go ahead. That is what I'm saying. हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे या मंदिर में जाते हैं, तो what we just pray to God with a belief system. Right. When we go to the school, वो हम नहीं सोचते कि ये social studies क्यों पढ़ा रहे या science क्यों पढ़ा रहे. We just go with the flow. Yes. So that is what I say. Go with the flow of TAGR, and everything is fine in your life. Definitely.
Wonderful. I think ask initials. You see, Dhruti, you have nailed it. I think I can see the confidence, and you, with your confidence, with your professional background, with your success story, you're going to go to the next level in this program and in your future goals as well. So thank you so much, Dhruti, for your time, for sharing your success story with our academy and for our channel. It's been a pleasure to have you in our academy, and we wish you grand success in the future also. Keep on doing the good work. This is Dhruti Raja. I mean, I should not say an ordinary participant, but a real believer in her own self. No limitations for her. She believed in that this is the principles of Think and Grow Rich. She entered the academy and she's broken all the records. Just 11 days and she got her success story. March target done in the lockdown, in the Corona times, achieved in the month of, I mean, this is really the power of yours. You have got the power. If you want to unleash that power within you, then just click on the link below, enroll into our academy, and see how we can convert whatever transformation which you want in your life, be it relationships, be it health, be it money, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. My name is Siddharth Shah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and like our channel. Thank you and bye-bye. Bye.